Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, you can click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Now tap on this little icon with an eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!